Hey, fantastic you, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. We are painting today. This is a 12 by 16 inch canvas. We're doing 3 flip cups. Here are my colors here at the bottom, well, top of the screen for you. And they are in the order that I'm gonna layer them into the cups. These are all Liquitex paints except for the white, that is Artist Loft. So we got cadmium yellow, medium hue, cadmium red, light hue, titanium white, cerulean blue hue, light blue permanent, and this is a custom color. It is mainly ultramarine blue with a splash of ivory black. So starting with the yellow, ending with the blue. I'm gonna do probably 2 layers is what I'll get with this, but let me get this layered and I'll be back. Okay, they are filled up. So let's flip these cups. Okay, it's been about a minute or so that I've had them flipped over. So let's flip and drag. I'll drag the cups at this point. I've already flipped them. Let's see what we're gonna get. That was a terrible pull on my part. Move that off to the side. I gotta be careful. I've got a painting drying off to the side of me. There we go. That one was a little better. So getting a lot of green. I'm not surprised on that. Ooh, there's some of the red. I want to call it orange, but it's red popping through. Don't want that falling over the edge. Okay, there are the 3 cups. Let's spin this around. My doggy pad was trying to move on me. Okay, we're gonna do this end first. So all the paint, except for the white, is Liquitex. The white is Artist Loft. The paint is mixed 1 part paint to 1.5 parts pouring medium. My pouring medium is 70% PVA glue, 30% water. I'm just gonna fix this end right here. I didn't get it all the way over. Let's get that one done. Just wiping my hands because we're gonna torch. So I can see a few bubbles. Got a few cells popping through right now. So that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, let's see what that brings up. Got this weird thing going on there. I don't know if I like that or not. And also have that. I'm gonna leave it, even though it is bothering me. We're getting some nice blue cells up here. Little bit here. Looks like I'm gonna have to torch again on this side. Not a lot is coming up. Paint's still pretty thick there. Let's see what that does. Here they come. Ooh, I got a little close on that end. Most of that's getting tipped off, so we don't have to worry about that. Yeah, I'm not sure how well these cells at the top are picking up for you. Hopefully you can see them. But let's finish tilting, paint off, and grow the cells. Just walking the paint down. Over that corner. There we go. We're gonna bring it back. Try not to wacky stretch out everything. Just pulling the paint back to the center. There. Do we need to torch anymore? Little stretched out on that end, but that's okay. Colors aren't looking as good as I thought they would. So still interesting. We've got this pinky peachy color, and that's from the cadmium red light hue. Where it's really blue with the orange popping out, those look really good. I'm happy with those. But I think I'm going to torch just in that area. Let's bring up some little cells in there. They are popping through. Got a couple bubbles. I will deal with those after, but I'm going to zoom you in so you can take a peek. Wipe my hands off. There's a better view for you. So very bright. I knew it was going to have the brightness in there with the cadmium colors. Again, I'm not sure if I like those stripes there. I probably should have tried to tilt those off a bit more. But too late now. But either way, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.